Good morning and welcome back to yet another hot review of Uthando Nesithembu episode 8 of season 8. Guys, the meeting between uSne noMseleko was much needed after izinkulumo zikaSne ethi ubaba wakhe ufana nethoyizi, but ke siyabona ukuthi uMseleko uyazama ngempela ukulungisa izinto between yena noSne. Ngiyathemba ngempela ukuthi uSne uzoshintsha indlela akhuluma ngayo ngobaba wakhe, indlela amtreat ngayo, kodwa ke angazi ke ngezenzo zakhe uSne ukuthi useready yini ukushintsha impilo yakhe. And futhi ke sizwile uMseleko mentioning ukuthi uMacele umazisile ukuthi uSne umcele imali. I thought it was interesting ukuthi umtshelile, because if it wasn't a big deal then bezomnika and not think too much about it. So mina, that tells me ukuthi she did feel like she was backed in a corner, and it also told me ukuthi uMacele is aware ukuthi sometimes uSne does take advantage of her. She is not just giving out imali nje with no understanding of what uSne is doing. Uyazi, uyabona futhi nanokuthi uyazi ukuthi uSne does have a hold on her when it comes to iy'ngane zaSne fana ukuthi iy'ngane zakhe. So obviously in order for ukuthi aqhubeka abe ne-access to iy'ngane, then she'll have to always, appease uSne. So I do understand in that sense. But the fact that uMseleko mentioned ukuthi ngoba ngikunika nje imali, it's not me buying uthando lakho, mina ngiyazi ukuthi ngenzani, because uyazi ukuthi that's what uMacele does at times. Mayemnika yonke into ayicelayo ngaleso sikhathi. Khona lesi sisho bafethu esithi it is better to ask for forgiveness than to ask for permission. And ke uMseleko ngathi uphila ngaso ke lesi sisho, because there he goes again apologizing for the 100th time, exolisela isicelo angakwazanga ukusimela sokuthi angafaki nje, angalingi nje afake umuntu emva kwaMangwabe. So this meeting nje was just so pointless, because yet again esidini laMangwabe talking about leaving, kodwa she never does. Le meeting nje bekumele kube uyena uMangwabe oyibekile ukuthi ke ngicela sihlangane nje khonto engifuna ukutshela yona. Then once behlangana ke then athi nje lalela ke lapho, njengoba kade ke ususitshelile ukuthi somfakile ke lo number 5 engangicelile ukuthi ungamfaki. As we speak nje kune truck engaphandle nje kwami ethutha zonke izinto zami, ngiyakushiya sekuphelile phakathi kwami now. That would have been ideal. That would have been a dramatic ending to a relationship, but that would have been entertaining vele to us. But kesana, yet again sibona this back and forth between them, the other apologizing for ungenisa omunye unkosikazi, the other saying uyahamba. So at this point nje we are all just bored, and naye uMseleko akayithathi serious nje le ndaba yokuthi uyahamba. Uyambona nje ukuthi akabukeki njengendoda stressed ukuthi nje izoshiwa unkosikazi. The worst thing you can do nje as a woman, especially if you don't have your exit plan set and ready. The worst thing you can do as a woman in a relationship is to threaten a man esahlanyisa uthando lusha. Big mistake, because now umuntu ose-wrong kwi-acrimony akusayona indoda le esinonkosikazi or intombi entsha. Uwena ovele ube wrong ngoba you are now going against your own words. Your dignity starts to shake and your character is then questioned ukuthi you have the guts to say ungafaki umuntu emva kwami, ekubeni you yourself are number 4, and then masifakiwe lowo muntu keke you start having an attitude embi, kodwa futhi manje you are dragging your feet about leaving. So what is the point of all of this ngempela? Hi, shewe iyadida indaba kaMangwabe. But anyway guys, I would like to hear your thoughts on this episode. Please be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe if you haven't already. Otherwise ngizonibona kulelandelayo. Bye guys.